Types of lathe tools. In this video, we'll describe the differences between mill and lathe tools, identify tool shape and nomenclature, and identify types of tool holders.
Lathe tools, at least non-live lathe tools, have some distinct differences to milling tools. Let's take a look and understand some of the basics of lathe tools. First, there are 5 basic types of lathe tools. External tools, which can be used for roughing and finishing the outside of a part. Boring bars, which can be used to increase the inside diameter of a hole or finish internal geometry. Drills, which are the same ones that you would use on a mill or a drill press. Thread making tools, which include both rigid tapping tools as well as thread cutting tools. And finally, parting tools, which will be used to cut the part away from the rest of the stock. Parting tools can also be used for things like cutting geometry such as grooves. On top of that, tool holders or assemblies can come in 3 different orientations: right hand, left hand, and center or neutral. If you lay the tools on the table with the insert facing up, a right-handed tool will have the insert pointing to the left, and a left-handed tool will have the insert pointing to the right. The different orientations are used based on the geometry to cut as well as the cutter position. Many of these tools use an insert, and there are even more types of inserts. Inserts vary in size, shape, and coatings, but we won't be going through all the variations in this specialization. As we go through the course, we will be using some of the basic tools for various applications, so it's important we understand the basic types and orientations of these tools as we get started.